Where is Bitcoin heading next? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, we talk about everything crypto right here every single day. Real quick favor, hammer the like button for us, subscribe, because we've got a ton of things to dive into. Differing opinions here with Bitcoin and where we're heading next, but we're going to let the data on my XT Algo show us exactly where we could be heading next. We'll dive into that here in just a little bit. By the way, XT Algo is available for everyone to purchase. 30-day money-back guarantee as well. We've got great options here. Let the trading indicator do the work for you and make better decisions in crypto trading. Totally free to try because it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but I think you're going to absolutely love it. More on that in a little bit. Now, Peter Brandt forecasts a potential Bitcoin drop and downtrend amid market correction. So we started to see a market correction about 5 days ago. And he says here the decline in Bitcoin is once again retesting the neckline on the underlying inverted head and shoulders pattern. A close below 24,800 would do damage to the daily and weekly graphs. But hey, what do I know? I'm only a boomer who does charting. So he's being facetious there. Now, Bitcoin well above 24.8 here. This article, by the way, came out just recently here this morning. So right now we're looking pretty good. Now, I listened to another analyst basically say, on the Bitcoin chart, we could be looking at a potential, swing upwards to about 27,000, maybe even 28,000 before we would see another retracement. So differing opinions here, but let me show you this on the 1 day here with Bitcoin. So this is our 1 day candles, okay? First and foremost, we got a possible retracement down signal. This is the XT Algo at work. Possible retracement down on August 9th. Then we got the momentum down on August 17th. Look where we are now. So this prior indicator, this possible retracement down, it's not a fully validated trend indicator, but it gives you some speculation. And if you want to play some speculation, these are great indicators. If you would have shorted Bitcoin here when my indicator flashed, boom, you made some gains. If you would have shorted it even when we had our weekly close or our daily close right here when it flashed momentum down, this is a more valid indicator that a trend is happening. Even then, you would have saw some gains shorting Bitcoin. But let me zoom out because a couple times this year we flashed momentum up. Here's once right here, flash momentum up. Look at that. We got over 31,000. This happened back here in March. Momentum up, flashed. Boom. We got all the way back up to 31,000. And as soon as I see this possible retracement down, this is where I exit trades. Momentum up right here back in January, possible retracement down, I exited the trade. Okay, now I missed a little bit of those gains, but I'll take this little bit on top, right? I'll take a 28% move right there. That's a 28% move. I'll take that all day, right? I'll take that all day. Now, Peter Brandt, forecasting if we do close below 24.8, it would be a concerning sign for the short-term future, no doubt about it. Now, Brandt also puts forward an interesting theory. The fact that we're here again is highly suspicious. Nate Silver, the famous statistician, wrote a book called The Signal and the Noise, Why Most Signals Fail. False signals occur in any and all fields of making projections, not simply limited to chart patterns. That's why this XT Algo is so powerful, because it takes into account so many different angles in the cryptocurrency market and wraps it up into an easy-to-use trading signal. So again, that's available to you down below in the description. Make sure you use XT2023 discount code, by the way, right now if you're interested in getting that. At press time, 30-day money-back guarantee, right? We'll fully refund you in 30 days if you don't like it, but I'm telling you, I think you're going to love it. If you use it, if you take the time to understand how to use it. Full tutorials once you make a purchase. I show you how to use it and everything. Bitcoin's around 62% down from its peak of 69,000 back in 2021, but year over date, we're still pretty solid. So all in all, right now with Bitcoin, what I'm doing here, let me go back out to the 1 day. What I'm doing right now is I'm waiting to see where this falling knife is going to end. So right now we have our last indicator on the daily, which I like to go a little bit more zoomed out on Bitcoin. I like to play the more macro moves or longer time frame moves. So I'm waiting until we get a possible retracement up signal on the 1 day. As soon as we get a possible retracement up signal on the 1 day, I might put a long in for Bitcoin on my trading side of things, right? By the way, I use Bybit to trade. That link's down there too if you want to get hooked up with a good trading platform to actually, make your trades. But look at this down here. So I'm waiting for this signal right here. Let me move this up a little bit. I'm waiting for this possible retracement up signal. Look what came right after that. A few days later, we got momentum up. And then, boom, made some great gains. If you would have got here on the possible retracement up, which was back in June, and got out here on the possible retracement down just a week later, look at this. About a 22% move, okay? About a 22% move you would have had there. I'll take that all day. But right now, I'm waiting to see what Bitcoin's going to do. I'm waiting to see some consolidation, some sideways movement. Remember how boring Bitcoin was before the breakdown? I want to see a little bit of some boring action before I make a move here. Now, if I had to make a really strong guess, I think we're going to go ahead and retest 25,000. I do. And I'm hoping we can stay, to Peter Brandt's point, above 24.8. Right? So that's the numbers we're watching, the figures we're watching here with Bitcoin. So hopefully this gives you some things to consider. If it does, smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.